If you're a small business person making sales or supplies to big corporates, there's a possibility you may have signed on credit terms which state that you will be paid 30 days or 45 days after raising your invoice and making your supplies. Which means if you're dealing with 10 such big customers, you would have delivered the goods or the service today. However, the payments will come 30 days or 45 days later. In that duration of 30 days, you would have to incur several expenses. And for that, if you're in a cash crunch, you would be looking for working capital. Here, an option of financing is called factoring, by which a banker or a financer agrees to pay you whatever is due to you from your customers at this moment, which is early, and in return for it charges a small fee. So assume 30 days later you're supposed to get 100 rupees from your customer, and if the banker today pays you 99 and says, okay, I'm keeping that 1% with me as charges or interest to give you this early access to this payment, maybe you might think it's a great deal because you're getting that money today and you don't need to borrow anything from anyone else to meet your expenses through the period till the time your customer will actually pay you 30 days from now. What the bank earns in this is that 1%. Know that this is 1% per month. So simplistically speaking, this funding is available to you at 12% per annum. Again, simplistically. That means you've taken this working capital facility of invoice discounting, meaning whatever is due to you, you're getting early access to that money in return for a small fee or a discount or an interest which the financer charges you. If you are an MSME enterprise and you fall in this category where you're looking for this arrangement of a banker giving you this facility, either you can approach those bankers and figure out their invoice discounting or factoring facilities, whether you're eligible for it or not. Alternatively, the Government of India through the MSME website has also tied up with three exchanges, three entities which facilitate this transaction. One is m1exchange.com, the second is rxil.in, and the third I believe is invoicemart.com. You can choose to go to any of their websites, register yourselves as a vendor, complete your KYC process, sign the agreements, read them, complete your entire registration process. It's also important that your customer, the big corporates that you supply to, are also registered on these exchanges. To take this facility or avail it, you would have to upload all invoices which you want an early access to funds against. After your customer approves those invoices online, several banks which are registered or several NBFCs which are registered on this portal will start bidding to give you the highest amount for that money and that early access to it. You can choose the banker or the NBFC, which is the financer giving you the best terms or the lowest amount of interest or charge for facilitating this factoring transaction for you. If you're a small business owner providing sales to big corporates and big customers or government entities or PSUs, this can be a great problem solver for you in terms of managing your working capital. Share it with someone who may need it.